Good morning, Jake's Under Pressure Power Washing. We're out here getting ready to strip a deck. It's got some stain on it, as you can see. Give you a little bit of before, what it looks like, and what it's going to look like as we start this three-step cleaning process. Alright, we're back. We have completed our three-step wood cleaning process. You can tell we applied the stripper, went in and got that clean, got the old stain off. We applied the brightener, and we're going to rinse all this off. That way there's a burn mark in the wood from the grill. We can remove a lot of stuff, but can't quite get that out of there for them. As you can tell, it's a big difference. We don't come in here and pressure wash all the stain off. We use a three-step cleaning process and lightly wash it off. Now this deck is ready for a stain. The homeowner they're actually putting the house up for sale. So they're going to let the next people that buy it, they're going to give them our information. And hopefully we'll be back in the summer to stain it for them. Alright, that's what it's going to look like when we come out and clean. Jake's Under Pressure Power Washing. You can check us out on the web, jpwash.com, Facebook, Google for more pictures, videos, information. Give us a call at 804-898-1931.